I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's right. Don't you forget it. Come to IMTS. I think I can make a right on red. All right, everybody, we're in Chicago, and we're in the IMTS powered by AMT Rally Fighter. Not exactly a good city vehicle, but you know what? It's fun. And we're here in Chicago for IMTS 2022. Now, IMTS 2022 doesn't start until next week. This week is move-in week. So let's take a look under the hood, shall we? It might not look the most impressive at first, but you can see this solid steel tube frame. They call it a space frame. I don't know if it's been to space, probably not, but it's a solid steel tube frame chassis. As you can see, the airbox is up front, and it looks like the engine would be here, but it is in fact not here, because it's shoved back. The engine's actually right here, and that's for center of gravity. Absolutely massive coilovers. That's a really huge, long throw of the suspension, and the reason for that is this is what is effectively a Baja 1000 champ truck, trophy truck, one of those racing trucks that's made to look like a car and homologated to be street legal. The cooling system is outrageous. Because this is meant to do desert racing, naturally it would be really hot, so you want a beefy cooling system to keep the engine and transmission cool and kept from overheating. But this thing, it runs cool, so it's a nice feature. The suspension, because it is a race suspension, often think you'll be going straight and then it will start veering in one direction. That's not because it has a bad alignment or anything. It's meant because it does that because this thing was meant to ride on sand and not, smooth glass paved roads. So yeah, this is a really cool thing, and let's keep taking it for a spin, shall we? So I have special instructions, because obviously from the main entrance, you can't just roll this behemoth into the show on the show floor. So I was sent special instructions. I got this from another AMT employee who I will not mention because I don't want them to get yelled at by Peter. Gives me one last chance to bomb it. I'm supposed to be parking this under the bridge, from under the bridge that goes from the main concourse to the east building. And I was told to come here.
You gotta put a ticket.
Okay.
You're gonna pay when you leave it.
Okay.
Please take the parking ticket. Please enter following the guide.
All right. He told me to park over. I go over there, dude. He told me to come this way. Obviously, McCormick is not that way. We're gonna sneak around. Hold on, first buckle your seatbelts. Dude, he did make me pay. I'm not paying. Bye. All right. Trying to make me pay for parking at my own show.
This is it. This is where they wanted it.
And that's all she wrote. We've successfully snuck in to move-in day at IMTS 2022. We've got some prime parking. Everybody's still trying to get their booths prepped in time for, the opening day of the show. So let's go get some colorful commentary. Excuse me, sir, what are you doing up there? Where are you going? Are you excited for the show?
Am I excited for the show?
Yeah, how's moving going?
Smooth like a hot knife to butter, baby.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I want to hear.
Butter, baby.
Anything exciting happening today? Like something that wasn't supposed to
It's all
happen?
exciting before the show, man. The anticipation.
That's what I want to hear,
You know
man.
what I mean?
Sweet.
Anticipation, baby.
You guys really excited?
Yes, we are.
Do you have any sneak peeks to show me?
No, not today.
Not today? Damn. Well, thanks anyway. It's all going really awkwardly. Zoom in. There's no Pepsi in any of these machines. Hey, I'm Steve Lamarco with AMT. How's your move-in week going?
Good because there's cake.
There's cake?
Yeah.
I would love some cake. What kind of cake is it?
White?
Show me the cake.
Okay, come here. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Steven with AMT. Do you know who's in charge of the show?
I do.
Who's that? Who would that be?
That would be Peter Illman.
Okay, thank you. Whose birthday is it for real?
Karen's. Actually, it's also Dayton's. But the cake's not for him.
To hell with Dayton. But who's Karen?
Karen's with CDS. She's our hero.
How nice. She's a nice lady. She is our hero. Thank you, CDS. Hi, I'm Stephen Lamarco with IMTS. How's your move-in week going?
Oh, it's going great.
Are you guys tired?
Not at all. Excited.
Why are you just sitting around lounging around?
Somebody's got to get work done, or you could have to have all the fun.
Fair enough. At least you get to sit down. So, this has been an IMTS preview. I hope that footage was fun. Until next time. If there is a next time, let's hope I still have a job.